Hello YouTube! Yes, I am back again. And guys, if you are just new to my channel, please consider to subscribe so it'll be cooler, okay? So for today's video, I'm gonna unbox 2 products. And unahin muna natin to kasi ito hindi ko pa talaga nabubuksan. And kanina dumating to, nag-edit ako ng video ko for part 4 ng Armenian trip ko. And sinet aside ko muna kasi nga gusto ko genuine yung reaction ko. But anyways, I have another one. I have ring light. So, yan. I have ring light. And mamaya, eto bukas na to. Kaso, niligay ko ulit sa box para isama ko sa unboxing. Pero kasi ito nakasetup na. So, mamaya, i-unbox ko to. So, ito muna, unbox ko. Wala. And by the way guys, in-order ko nga pala to sa souk.com. In-order ko nga pala to sa souk.com. And currently, I'm using my phone kasi yan na siya. So, by the way guys, hindi ko nga pala nasabi, ang in-order ko ay external hard disk. It's 2 terabytes rather. It's 2 terabytes. The reason why I ordered this, it's because yung laptop na ginagamit ko ay sobrang bagal na. So I need to back up those files or my files so that I can reformat the computer or laptop. So kasi nga lagi nagka-crash. So ang hirap kasi, ang hirap mag-edit. So kailangan talaga. And ito na. So I think this cost around 240. This is 240. It's WD Elements, and yun, it's 2 terabytes, and it has a 2-year limited warranty. Hindi ko alam kung magpo-focus. Yan, and that's it. So buksan na natin. It's a very basic. So I will just open this one. Cut ko lang. So ito kasama niya. Ano pa bang wala na? So ito lang. Ito siya. So basically, kasama sa kanya of course ito muna. So manual. Pinakasama sa kanya, and the USB connector. That's it. And of course, the main star itself, the external hard disk. So yan siya. So upon checking this, I think it's type C. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, if I say the correct term or name for this. I don't know, but for what I know, this is a type C connector or USB connector or USB port. So this is more faster than the usual one, and that's it. And later I will try this, and eventually ma-reformat ko yung laptop, so mas okay na okay na mag-edit ng video. So set aside natin to. And by the way, this one I bought this last 2 days. I went to China Mall dito sa UAE. And nakita ko maraming ring light. So nag-canvas muna ako. Yung una sinabi niya it's 75. Tapos punta ako dun sa kabila. Sabi nung lalaki, same size nito. it's 70 sarado. So bumalik ako ulit, sabi ko try ko na makipaghagel. So guys, if you are going to, kahit dito sa UAE, kung pupunta kayo, try to haggle, lalo na kung hindi naman sa mall, try to haggle kasi syempre importante yung pera. And sinabi ko dun sa salesman na if I can get this for 65 dirhams, and binigay naman niya. So sabi niya that's the last price na kaya nilang ibigay. So that's the selling price ang sabi niya sa akin. So yun, kinuha ko na. But I think upon checking, after I got this and after I got home and I checked the YouTube, parang feeling ko lugi pa ako kasi may ganito sa Pilipinas sa Lazada, nakita ko it's only 800 pesos. And yung mga previous na kasama niya marami or mas maganda. So ito na nga. So ito siya, ito ring light and also the tripod. This one, tripod to. So, yun. Tapos may clip na dun sa may camera ko. So, pakita ko na lang. Ito yung clip. So, ayun yung clip. Nalagay ko na lang yung clip dyan kasi nga, ang hirap niyang ikabit. So, inabot yata ako ng 1 hour dyan sa pagkakabit niyan kasi ginawan ko siya ng paraan. So, ayun siya. Basta clip kung saan mo pwedeng ilagay yung ring light. Yun na. Yan, balik tayo sa unboxing. So ito na nga. It cost me 65 dirhams. Kung i-compute natin to, this is around like 1,000. I don't know, but i-check ko siya kung magkano ha. Pero parang tingin ko it's 1,000 plus. Kasi kung 65 times 14.5, so I think nasa 1,000 plus siya. Pero check pa rin natin. So it's 65 times, sabihin natin 14.50 ang conversion. It's 942.50. So depende pa rin sa conversion, pero parang mahal pa rin siya kumpara dun sa Pilipinas, dun sa Lazada. Parang mas mura pa sa Pilipinas. So yun na nga. So eto na, buksan ko na. So ito yung box niya. So ito yung meron siyang bubble wrap to protect the product and the ring light itself. So hindi siya ganong kalakihan, but guys, I tell you, this is pretty good. Napakalakas ng ilaw niya. So it has 3 tones. It has white and combination of white and brown, and plainly brown lang. You can adjust this into 10 levels of lights. So try ko. So this is a USB wire connection. So hindi siya pinaplug sa outlet. But the good thing here is you can bring this outside and you can just plug it to your power bank. So kung kailangan mo ng ring light sa labas, power bank lang, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. So ito nga, pagka plug in mo, so meron nang yung mag-indicate na light, and you just have to press it once. So yan na. So it's napakalakas niya. Inaan natin. So ito yung unang level niya. So bilangan natin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So may 11 pa. So hanggang 11. So babaan ulit natin. So yan. I'm sorry. So yan, white. So ito yung white. and a combination of brown and white. Brown pala, ganun. So ayan, white, and pag kinilig mo pa ng isa, brown, and combination of white and brown. Ayan. So actually it's pretty good talaga. Hindi ko akalain na ang liit-liit niya pero ang lakas-lakas ng light niya. And pwede na to sa pwede na to if you are just starting to vlog. So it's just that I don't want to spend too much on my needs. Ulitin ko guys hindi masama na mag-spend ka sa mga kailangan mo kasi which is this one is you really, if you are a vlogger, you really need this. And if you are doing like sit down vlog or unboxing or whatever, kailangan mo talaga to. So pwede na mag-invest. It's just that stick to the level of your needs. Kung alam mo naman na pwede naman muna ito, so ito muna yung gamitin mo or ito muna yung bilhin mo. Tsaka na yung malaki pag kumikita ka na. So yun lang. And what else? Ito, tripod, which is hindi naman parang hindi siya sobrang durable. Yan no. Yan. So pwede ma-extend. And pwede mong ikabit dito sa ibabaw. Yun lang yung ano nito, included or freebies nitong ring light na to. Pero kung tatanungin niyo ako sa performance niya or sa light niya, hindi naman the best pero pwede na talaga, pwede na pang umpisa kasi malakas yung ilaw niya talaga. So ganitong kaliit na size niya, ang lakas ng ilaw niya. So yun lang. So that's it guys. So if you have any suggestions na you would like me to do, if mapa-challenge man yan or mukbang man yan, let me hear your voice through the comment box so that I can arrange that for you, okay? And guys, be the first to know, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until to my next video, see you, ciao. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, 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 pop.